everyone! Welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations Handmade, the perfect place for you to learn how to make beautiful things of your own. So make sure if you're not a subscriber, you click the red button down below, and also please click the bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. And today I have a super cute haul to share with you, and I'm also going to share a project. It's a Gorjuss Girls project. It's a mini flip book, and I haven't done anything Gorjuss Girl related in a while, and as you all know, I love my Gorjuss Girls. So I actually got the newest mini Gorjuss Girls towards the end of last year. I haven't had a chance to do the whole about it, but I wanted to create a project too so I could share both. I'm going to share the project, which is this flip book, and it's a Gorjuss Girls. I have 18 new ones. I'm going to show you the new ones. They're just so adorable, and they're the mini versions of the newer stamps, and they're also versions of some that I hadn't seen before. So look at this adorable one. Oh god, this is the mini version of the little fishes. Isn't she the cutest thing? Ah! And this one is number 41. So I'm going to just kind of pile it here so I can start putting them away. And then look at this one. Oh, they're so adorable. And what I like about these ones is that they're smaller, but they're not tiny. So they're good for cards, and they're good for smaller projects. So I really like this ones. And this is number 42, Summer Days. And isn't she just the cutest thing? Actually, I purchased them from Centauro London's website a while ago, but they're available now at Blitsy. Blitsy has them at good prices. And just look at this adorable thing. Ah, she's so cute. So this is number 43, and it's called Spring at Last, as you may know already. Then we have this little one here. And I'm not sure if I have a bigger version of her. I don't remember. But it's a cutie too. It's number 44, and it's called Free as a Bird. And then we have here, this one is one of the latest ones that came out, the bigger ones. So this one is number 45, and it's called Fly Away With Me. It's super cute too. And then, this is just one of my favorites. It's just so sweet, so adorable. I don't know why, because it's one of the simpler ones, but it's just so sweet. So this one is number 46, and her name is Rainbow Dreams. She's adorable. Oh my god, look at this cutie. Ah, she's adorable. So adorable. And I used her for my project over here. So this one is number 47, and it's called I Stole Your Heart. Then we have here, this is another one of my favorite ones. So I used this one too on my project here that I'm going to show you in a bit. She's just so adorable. She reminds me of my little niece. Super cute. Number 51, Little Love. My niece is my little love, so yeah. And then look at this one. I love the Indian style. I just so love her. She's adorable. And I'm trying to get the larger ones because they came with the larger versions of this one and the parrot one. And there's a couple more that I want to get. This is number 50, and it's called Jar of Hearts. Adorable! And this is a cutie too. She's just so sweet. She looks like such a sweet girl. And this one is number 42, and it's called Waiting. So I'm going to put this one on the side. Then this is another one of my favorites. She's just so cute. I love her outfit. I just love her ponies. She's just adorable. This one is number 53, and her name is Sugar and Spice. Adorable. This is cute too. Like how she has her hairdo. This one is number 54, and her name is Sweetheart. So cute. I cannot believe how cute these girls are. This is an older one, and she's a cutie too. She's just sort of like a more modern one. So this one is number 55, and it's called Oldest Words. And this one is one of my most favorite. I just love her. I don't know why, but I just love her. She's so cute. And this one is number 56, and it's called Dear Alice. And this one is just such a sweet cutie. I use her on the little flip book too. I think she's just so adorable. And she also reminds me of my little niece. So cute. So it's number 57, and it's called Little Heart. And then this is another one of my favorites. You know what, listening to me right now is like they're all my favorites, but they're just so cute. How can they not be, right? But this is one of the ones I like the most. And I love her pink hair, and I love the whole thing, kind of like modern Alice in Wonderland thing. This one is number 58, and her name is The Dreamer. Now, this is a cute one. This one is number 60, and it's called Let Down. So, this is super adorable. Such a cute little girl over there flying on her dove. It's just so cute. This one is number 59, and her name is Flying Above It All. And I love her. If you love gorgeous girls, go get them. They're just so adorable. And now I'm going to show you my little project. I hope you guys like it. Just wanted to do something different. So I created this little flip book. It's kind of like a little box, but I think it turned out so cute. I actually used this. This is one of the tags from one of the paper pads from the paper line. And I think they're so cute. I like the quality of the paper, so I just decided to use it here in the front. And then I had this embellishment that I made a while ago. I used some Distress Oxide inks from Tom Holtz, and I used some of my homemade glitter paper, glitter cardstock. And if you would like to know how to learn how to make your own glitter cardstock, I'm going to put a link on in here and also on the description below, so you can go check that video up. So it opens up like this. Oh, isn't this so cute? This is another label from that collection, and I just added this little cutout gold foiled heart in there. And then, if you see here, this is photo frame. So inside, I actually did some work with alcohol inks. And the best part about it is that I made my own alcohol inks. So they're homemade, they're a lot less expensive to make, and they turned out so beautiful. I was so surprised, and I was so happy with the results. So I'm going to have a tutorial sometime in the future showing you how to make your own alcohol inks, because I love Tim Holtz alcohol inks. I love Pinata alcohol inks, but they can get a little pricey. So you can make your own, and you can make a lot for a lot less. And you can see this is on vellum. So look at how nice it looks on vellum. And the vellum is actually backed on white cardstock. I'll show you inside how would it look if you don't back the vellum on cardstock, because vellum, as you know, is translucent, so it will show the color that's underneath. And then I'm going to show you the difference between the vellum, and this is U-Bow paper over here. There's a difference, but you can see they're similar. So if you cannot afford to get U-Bow paper, because the U-Bow paper is also pricey, I would really recommend that you use vellum instead. Back it on white cardstock, and it would look really nice too. It's not the same as the U-Bow, but it looks so nice too. So it opens up down like this. Ah, look at this! Ah, I love them. Those two girls are two of the mini ones from that new collection. So I colored them. I colored her. Oh, it's just so adorable. And then I placed it on top of my U-Bow alcohol ink background. And this is made with the inks that I made at home, and they turned out great, I think. and I just added a little heart and an arrow there, and I just have to add a sentiment here that I haven't finished yet, but I think it's looking so adorable. So this side over here is actually a pocket. I just place this little tag in here just to give anyone who gets it an idea that this is a pocket. And then you can see here the difference. This is a vellum with alcohol ink, and I placed it right straight on the blue cardstock, so you can see how different it looks when you back it on white cardstock and when it has no backing, but whatever it's under it. So it will show the color a little, and you can see the difference. But it is really nice either way. And then I colored this little girl. I just think they're so cute. So this one is just decoration, and it will have a sentiment. Then you open it up like this, and I tell you, I am in love with these girls. I'm sorry guys, I may be kind of like childish, but I love them. So this is another one, and if you remember this one, her dress is green and little packaging. But I just decided to color her like this. For some reason, she reminded me of Pocahontas. She's just so adorable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like a little arrow and a little bow. And then I'm going to glue it on the side. So it's just like kind of like the Pocahontas. I love it. And I use here the rest of the vellum, the homemade ones. And then this one is the same girl, as you see here. She's so adorable too. And I backed her with this little heart doily. It's gold foiled. And I placed this little heart here. And then you open this up like this. This one is actually not set in here. I just put it in there to give you an idea. But look at this adorable cutie. So you have this little Polaroid frame here. And then you have a tag for the little girl, and I just place a tag there so whoever gets it also knows that they can place a picture or anything in there and then use the tag somewhere else. So this is kind of like a little waterfall. It's only a couple of them, but you have another Polaroid there, and I'm going to put inside something in there to kind of like cover the inside. But I haven't done that yet. And then over here, I'm just going to place the little picture frames on the side so people can stick the picture in there without using glue. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. This one is part of the paper collection. She's so adorable. It's a cutout from the one of Santora's paper collection. And then this cardstock, I just sprayed with some of my color sprays, and also I use some of the gold sprays in here. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but it's beautiful. And then in here is the last Polaroid frame, so they can put a picture here. And then let me show you also, the side is open, so it works as a pocket that you can use on both sides. Over here, I haven't finished this side. I just placed this here. I was making a card, but I just placed that in there just to show you. I'm going to glue some paper from the paper line in here, and this would be for pictures. And then I'm going to have to put this down to show you. Opens up like this, and it has this little girl here. She's so adorable. I colored her a year ago or so. I've never used that, so I decided to use her here. And this one is actually a pocket too, so they can place anything inside in here. And she's just such an adorable girl. This one you turn it like this also, so you can put pictures here, here, and here, and in here. And I'm not sure yet, I haven't decided, but I think I'm going to put some more Polaroid frames all over them. So I think this turned out so adorable. Look at that. Look at that, those little girls. Just so adorable. They're so cute. I just love gorgeous girls. So this one, again, closes like this. So you just tie the bow So it closes up like this, and it closes up like that, and then you pull this up, and then the closure is just in between the heart and the Polaroid frame. Just place it there, and then it closes, so it won't open. I think this turned out so cute. It's such a cute design. So you can make a variation of this. It doesn't have to be Gorjuss Girl, but something like this design that can be carried in a purse, and someone can have pictures of their loved ones stored like this. I said on my last video, on my Stamper Artist video, that I'm close to reaching 5,000 subscribers. Yay! So I am going to do a very nice giveaway, so keep an eye for it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having again a great weekend, and I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.